Good morning. Wanted to come on Zoom and put together this quick video just so we can recognize things as they happen in the market. So going into the new year, we looked at the JPY pairs. They all had this bearish order block. We knew price needed to push up first before it pushes down. And we fibbed the red candle. Our golden zone is right here. Our 78 is this green line here. As you can see, they've both been tapped. Now I'm looking for a sign that price is pushing down. When I go to the weekly chart, you can see there was an imbalance here. Price pushed down, breaking these lows right here, right? Gave us a structure break of this swing low here. Traded back into the imbalance, a la ICT 2022 mentorship, slide number 3. Traded back into the imbalance. Now we're looking for a push down, right? To at least this low, and then we'll challenge this black line. That will be the next low that we break. So I'm going to drop on down to the 4-hour. We always discuss what to look for on the 4-hour chart. As you see, this bearish order block broke the moving averages. Now we're getting the pullback. I'm going to sell stop right here. Now, I do want this to push all the way back up here because it gives me a better entry. Because if it does keep pushing up, I'm going to sell it from, further up. And I can drop to the 15-minute chart to get more details. If that's something that's important to you. The same way on that weekly chart, we traded back up into the imbalance. That's the same thing I would look for on the 15-minute chart. This impulse moved down. We broke these lows. We broke this low. Now I expect price to trade back up to this imbalance. So this is where I would ideally want to take my sell. I'm going to cover the entire imbalance. You can cover the entire swing highs. It's a 40 pip, 39.5 pip stop loss. Or you can just cover the imbalance for a 30 pip stop loss. It's a ridiculous RR that you'll get on this trade because it's just starting. And if y'all remember, we already pushed up like 500 or 600 pips to start the year off. So you're at least going to get that much going back down. So this was the January push-up. If you just traded it back down to 645 pips, as you can see, your RR is a 21 right now. If you trade it to 835 pips to this low, your RR is 27. Let me go to a higher time frame. Remember, I had this low as a targeted low. So if I could take price all the way down to this low, it's a 33% growth. So you can do this on UJ, you can do this on NJ, you can do this on whatever JPY pair you want. I just wanted to kind of pop in because we saw what happened. We saw the price trade into our zone. We saw the highs get ran. And yeah, now we're ready.